Hi, I'm Cheryl Hackett, a Sensible Nutrition educator in Natrona County. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make peanut butter baked oatmeal. This is one of my family's very favorite breakfast recipes, and I love it because it just takes a few minutes of prep time. You can make it in the evening and then refrigerate it. Then you pull it out in the morning and it's baking while everyone's rushing around getting ready for school and work. And then you can sit down and have a hot, nutritious, and healthy breakfast recipe all together with minimal prep work. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of oats, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, preferably 1% or skim, a half cup of oil, a half cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and 2 beaten eggs. In a separate bowl or a glass measuring cup, combine the oil, honey, eggs, and I add the peanut butter into that. It's a little bit easier to mix. Mix all ingredients together and pour into a greased 9x13 pan if you did not make it to begin with in the 9x13 pan. You'll want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees when you're ready to bake. Bake for 30 minutes.